So you should, under statistics, it's usually the last unit. They do shuffle the units, but statistics seems to be what they have at the end, statistically speaking. Okay, right? That's the joke. Percentile rank. So that's something you have. You have the formula. Hopefully you have the meaning of B and N. B stands for number of items below. N stands for total number of items. No decimal, no percentages. Okay, that is the formula that you want to use for percentile rank. We have an example on how to do it with numbers given. Okay, guys, these are numbers just flat out. You're given each and every single individual number. Okay, how does that change? If you have a table, so let's say wages, and let's say you have increasing wages. So this is $14 an hour. You've got $15 an hour, $16 an hour, $17 an hour, and so forth. And you do a survey. Make sure you write this down, right? You do a survey. There's five employees that make five employees that make $14 an hour. You've got 10 that make 15. You have 7 that make $16 an hour, and you've got 8 that make $17 an hour. So you've got, I'm going to go wage and employees. Technically, I'd be breaking the law, right? If it's $14 an hour, that's outdated. If the question asked you, calculate the percentile rank for someone earning $16 an hour. You want me to zoom into that one? I'll zoom into that one. That's the one you're working on. Okay, you're making $16 an hour. What would B and N look like? If 16 is the value you're looking at, $16 an hour. Okay. What is B? What's that? 16 is like the value we're interested in. So you want to know how many employees make less than 16. And in this case, it would be 15 of them, right? So B is 15. And N, what's N? N would be all of them. So you add everything up. This is N right here. So 15, and that's 30. So percentile rank is 15 divided by 30 times 100. '50th percentile. Okay, so that's how you do a table. Is there, what's the 50th percentile? What do we call that? The median. That's the median wage, meaning 50% are below, 50% are above. Okay? Everything good? Sorry, this is a study sheet entry, so it's not pretty, right? It's not pretty. Another one, another section under statistics is backwards. Let's say this, example. Your energy bill places you in the 90th percentile. If there are 230 people, sorry, it says people there, trust me. How many pay less? The energy bill places you in the 90th percentile. If there are 230 people, how many pay less? I'll make this stand out by using a red pen. Okay? Are you going to calculate the percentile rank here? You're not. It's given already. So you use this. This is the formula. The 90th goes in here. You substitute that in. This is B over 230 times 100. What is the first thing that we do? We want to find out what B is ultimately, right? We divide by 100. We divide both sides by 100. Cancel out the 100 there. That gives us 0.9 is equal to B over 230. What do we do at that point? Cross multiply and divide, yes. So you cross multiply this way and divide that way. Put a 1 down there if it helps. B is 230 times 0.9. Right, 230 times 0.9 divided by 1. I just made this up, so I'm going to have to calculate that. This is an exact number. So 207 people. If it's a decimal, please round in this case. If you're calculating the mean median mode, it's okay to have decimals there. $207 people earn less, so that's that. Okay, I'm going to